All right, so I picked up the Shark Cyclone for pet. We don't have that kind of pet, but I mainly more got this for in my office. I do, well, in workshop, I do a lot of 3D printing and other sort of things and make a lot of mess. And we have a central vac, so hauling that out to just clean up little jobs is kind of pain, so then I don't do it. And it's just messy. So if I have a hopefully small-ish rechargeable vacuum here, then I'll be more inclined to clean up, right? That's the theory at least. So charging cable, I'm just making sure none of these other things are cardboard protection here. So a brush like carpet attachment, I would presume. And so QR code to, I don't know, get info about it or something, I guess. You can register just by clicking that. So fancy. So yeah, USB-A to USB-C cable and instruction manual. So let me look over that and make sure I understand how to use it. All right, so everything looked pretty self-explanatory. On, off switch there, charging there. This is the release to get to the filter. So when it's full, you or you want to empty it right where it says pull and dump out your stuff. Put it back in and click. Yes, it does. I did it once. I don't have it lined up correctly. There we go. And so then we've got a attachment for crevices, things like that. And then the pet, whatever, pet extraction tool. I'm not sure you want to extract your pet, but I guess this helps get fur and other sort of things. We do have feathers in our house. So I don't know. Interested to see what that does here. So it's, moderately loud. And actually getting some of the dust off my table, which is nice. So I'll take that. So you can obviously just use it in this mode. Which is doing just fine. And of course, then you can so it's getting up some of the dust here for sure. So I will take that. Again, a little bit of noise, but I'm not complaining about that. It is doing a great little job. So I'll be interested to see how long it takes to charge, how long it kind of runs on a charge there. And I didn't really. Well, you can see stuff in there. So obviously it's a well-known name that I trust, and I expected it to be good. This is the main thing that I'm going to be doing in my workshop area, and looks like we have a little protective covering on there that I didn't know we had, so get rid of that. Yeah, so I love it. Lightweight, not that not that huge. So I'll just be able to hang that somewhere out of the way. And yeah, this will be helpful at keeping my little area a bit cleaner without having to pull out the big giant central vac hose. So I'm going to call this a win. I'm a happy camper and hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day and be clean, y'all.
Okay, here's my shark, fully charged. I would recommend that you fully charge it before using it. I didn't fully charge it initially, and I was like, oh my goodness, this suction is terrible, but it wasn't. It's absolutely wonderful. This is where my cat box is. This is what I'm faced with every day. Was having to pull out the big vac. So let's see. Usually only care about not so much as what's on the wall, but I'll show how wonderful it works even more. I did wonder how it works very well. Very pleased with the box. There you are.
Here, a test of the shark vacuum under our couch.
They use it as evidence to